I went to Bath and Body Works, and now is a good time to go because they have a sale. Body care is $5.95. But tell me why I didn't even buy that much body care. But I bought a bunch of stuff for like presents, for teachers, for neighbors, all the things. I wanted to share a haul. I got some of these. It comes like with lotion, fragrance mist, and body cream. This one is strawberry snowflake. And then this I got, it is vanilla romance. It smells really good. I know I said I wasn't gonna buy no more lotion, but you know what? This is not for me. No, it's not. It's not. I bought it for someone else, okay? But I did buy myself a body wash. $5.95 for the body care, lotion, body wash, whatever. $5.95. So this is good. Good stuff. And then I got some more of these sets that come with like body wash and hand sanitizer and lotion or body lotion, things like that. And then I bought more because these are really good, easy gifts to give to your like neighbors and to teachers. I was a teacher. If I got one of these, I would like it. One of these, some more of these, and then this little set. They smell really good. And then that's all the gifts that I bought for now. And then the gift that I gave to myself, these fragrance boosters. I don't use fragrance boosters for towels because when you rub your body, like you don't want to be rubbing like scents on you unless you're okay with that, because sometimes like you're not allergic like I am, or you don't have sensitive skin like that. But I like it on blankets, like the blankets for the couches, because then it smells good. I always get that compliment, like when my sister visits or when someone like puts a blanket on. Well, in my old house, not this one. I try not to do too much fragrance because my family here, they don't like fragrance. I can't even wear perfume around them. Like I be like feeling like I smell because I don't got my perfume on when I'm around them. But I'm adjusting. They're just really sensitive to fragrance. So I probably won't do that for the couches around the family here. But I had a lot of compliments back then, you know, in the Bay Area. I'll do this for my comforter and the boys' comforter because it's upstairs. But anything downstairs, I try not to do any scents. But it's going to last forever since I don't be using it as much. But that's my little haul. I'm going to go shower now. We have so much going on in the house with the radon mitigation, a bunch of stuff. Oh, our blinds are being installed and they're like automatic. So fun. And something else is going on, girl. I don't know, but I'm hosting dinner. Jessica is coming over with her babies. Sharon and Steve are on their vacation, but they'll be back by the time you see this vlog. They're already back and we'll be seeing them already in the weekend. But yeah, I think I'm gonna keep these baggies, and like you can just give them as a gift. Like just put a name tag and then a bow, and it's a perfect little gift bag. Like why would you waste it? And girl, they double bag, so 1, 2, 3. I got 4 gift bags. Look at that, I didn't even have to buy it. So I picked up Jacob early from school today because we got a call. He was climbing up a structure, fell down and bumped his head. It was like 30 minutes before school ended, so I asked, I was like, can I also pick up my other son who goes to this school? And they were like, yeah, because it's like almost ending. And I was like, awesome. Jacob's good. He's good. I gave him a bath. He was relaxing in the bathtub. All is great. And the radon mitigation is done. What else, baby? All the house stuff?
Oh man, today was crazy. Yeah. We got one of the TVs mounted. Yes. All the blinds put
automatic
up,
blinds.
Automatic blinds. I need to figure out how to do the Alexa thing soon, because we can be like, Alexa, close the kitchen or whatever.
That'd be cool.
Yeah, just have we have a new handyman who's awesome, and we have a huge long list of stuff we're gonna have him do. So yeah, just getting stuff squared away. Yeah.
And Jessica's coming over soon, and I'm making potato wedges. It's a burger night. It's just a casual burger night. And then I'm baking something. Hopefully it turns out okay. And then we got some stuff here. We have appetizers like we always do. And look, I used the cutting board that Dee gave me, the Home Sweet Home, for the zucchini bread I baked like a few days ago. Oh, look at big cousin. So sweet. So burger night, we have the Impossible Patty. Mine is right there. And then the burgers. This one has cheese for Justin and Jessica. We got little weenies. We got some tater tots. Those are the frozen ones. And then, oopsie, Over here, oh, there's the toy. We have the wedges. This is dinner. Celebrating Liam today because he got into like a magnet program and he got to pick dessert. It's like the program you're in.
Like a gifted program.
Yeah, there you go. I just didn't know how to describe it. Charlie's in his favorite spot. He just loves his little heated cat bed. Hi, buddy. You surprised? Sunrise never misses a meal. They just had wet food like maybe an hour ago, and then he kept meowing, and so I gave him some greenies. It's so nice to see Bob out. Hi, buddy. You like your water? Hello. Welcome to my room, friends. It's just the mattress and bedding. You guys, I don't know what happened, but like the inside of the fingernail, I don't know what happened, but like there's a cut, and it's the pain, like the pain of a pinky finger. It's like a paper cut, but like in the inside. Oh my gosh. Why am I even talking about it? Because I feel it, girl. I feel it. Anyways, family left. I just love seeing my family. Like, I love seeing them. Like, I love holding the baby. I have this tradition with Sophia, and I think about, like, when will this... I hope it never ends, but every time she leaves our house, I give her a chocolate chip muffin. Like, I don't know why, how it started, but I think it's like the Filipino auntie needs, like, here, take this. Like, people, I always want to give people food, leftovers, food, a snack, something. You know, my aunties were always so generous with me when it came to food. They always made sure we ate, always asked, oh, did you eat? Did you eat? And I think that kind of like rolled over into my auntie life, my tita life. And I mean, it's not bad. She can save the little muffin baggie for school or the next day. Don't gotta be tonight. But I love the little traditions. Anyways, my finger, it still hurts. I'm about to shower again. And I'm just grateful. Like, we got radon mitigation done, the permanent lighting fixtures, TV situation. Justin's office is looking good so far. Like, everything's coming along. It really is. It just takes time. All the dressers are now built. Justin like built all the dressers, so we're not going to be living, you know, living like in boxes anymore. Sorry, I can't think, but I just love that. And I'm a little less stressed because we got some Christmas presents, and that makes my heart happy. I asked Jessica today, though. I was like, oh, do you have any like gift ideas for Bubby and Saba? They're hard to shop for because they don't want anything. So we'll figure that out.